They sit at home and wonder why, baby. It don't matter anyhow. Ain't no use in sitting wondering why, baby. You don't know by now. When the rooster crows at the break of dawn, you're looking at your window, girl, and I'll be gone. You're the reason that I'm traveling on, girl. Well, don't think twice, it's alright. I'm heading down that long dusty road, girl. Where I'm bound, I can't tell. Goodbye's just too good a word, girl. I'll just say fairly well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You might have done a better job, but I don't mind. You're just kinda wasting my time. I don't think twice, it's alright. Hey, Leroy! Leroy just got, how they pick that, I don't know. From town. Well, when the rooster crows at the break of dawn, you'll be looking at your window, girl, but I'll be gone. You're the reason that I'm traveling on, girl. Well, don't think twice, it's alright. You may sit at home and wonder why, baby. It don't matter anyhow. Ain't no use in sitting wondering why, baby. You don't know by now. When the rooster crows at the break of dawn, be looking at your window, girl, and I'll be gone. You're the reason, well, I'm traveling on, girl. Don't think twice, it's alright. Heading down that long dusty road, girl. Where I'm bound, I can't tell. Goodbye's just too good a word, girl. So I'll just say fairly well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You might have done a better job, but I don't mind. You're kinda wasting my time, girl. Don't think twice, that's alright. Oh, play me, boy. Let me tell you something. When the rooster crows at the break of dawn, be looking at your window, girl, but I'll be gone. You're the reason that I'm traveling on, girl. Yeah, don't think twice, it's alright. Heading down that long dusty road, girl, where I'm bound, I can't tell. Goodbye's just too good a word, girl. Oh, so I'll just say fairly well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You might have done better, girl, but I don't mind. You're kind of wasting my time. Girls and twice, it's alright. Oh, take it home, you boy.